Okay, we are at Hearthside, and we have 4 little puppy groups in here. And they've already had their pictures taken. They've had their little baths, and I'm just going to do a quick video. Some of them are getting tired, ready to go back see mommy. So these 2 down here, this little black and white girl and this little blue merle boy, those are Nellie and Iris, and they are the smallest. Well, I shouldn't say that because Bianca's little girl is pretty little. But they're the youngest. And so they're ready to go see their mommy. Okay, so there's Bianca's little sweet boy. Okay, and that is one of our little Morkies. Oh, and there's her brother. This is little girl. This is little boy. And he's got his tail in the water. That one's name is Cinco. He's going to Diana. Okay. This is Clover. She's ready to take a nappy. This is Luna. Hi, sweetheart. Oops, I got a fly pestering me. Okay. So, look at them. Now there's even more. They've had something to eat. They have their water in there. These guys are so sweet, let me tell you. Brr, little sweet babies. Yes, you are. Okie doke.